right-hand side is the brake.
The $4.99 start button.
Yeah, exactly.
Awful like my KDX. Ooh, everything's backwards.
Okay, I'm going to have a ride in that. So this is Ted's wolf in sheep's clothing, as I call it. I'm going to take it for a ride. That's a lot of fun.
Hello guys, here we are again in Geoff's workshop, and the poor Vincent Special is looking a little bit sorry for itself. As you can see, it needs some TLC, some tender loving care. The engine's been out of the frame and it's had some problems that Geoff's looking at. He's going to try and get the engine running again and then put everything back together and then start thinking about maybe longer term plans.
Could take all these struts off and you're right back to a standard.
I mean, you know,
Vincent.
The point was we weren't trying to make the perfect motorcycle.
Yeah.
We were trying to make use of a Vincent frame, you know, and have fun doing it. Because I had to replace the sprag clutch. Remember that was the problem before.
Yes, yes.
It didn't crank.
The red
Wait
button.
a minute.
Is this,
Okay,
right.
ready when you are.
Sounds perfect.
So that was cranking it, and now this is the ignition switch.
all right, so that should be ignition on.
Okay. And hang on a sec. You noticed I'm standing back. Okay, go
Trying to
for
get
it.
behind the sandbags.
Yeah. Hello? Hey, hey!
I'm not sure if we might have been running on one
It
cylinder.
sounded
there.
like it towards the end.
Put the choke back on. Well, anyway, I guess that was better than nothing.
Oh, yeah.
The ignition on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fired up on 2 cylinders, I think. The ignition fleet fell off. This is a quality operation. You know, nothing but the best.
This is just testing it, though.
Alright, let's try again.
Okay.
Is it going to stay on there? Alright.
I love the push start.
Yeah, well, that's
It's
the,
better than kickstarting,
Yeah,
Vincent.
oh,
No,
yeah,
it's easier, right?
Yeah. Alright. All's clearly not well. Let's, without burning ourselves.
Smoking at the pipes, that's all.
That one's hot.
It was blowing out of the other car.
Well, you
I
know
saw
what?
that.
They're both hot.
Yeah, yeah. I saw the
It
carburetor.
might just
blow
need
up.
some tuning.
Yeah,
I mean, these carburetors are.
yeah,
You know,
brand new.
I
You've just
bolted
literally
them on,
put them
and-
on, haven't you? Well, that was an improvement.
I think it just needs to be tuned
And warmed up.
and warmed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
But there's
Amazing.
nothing wrong with that motor.
Amazing.
I mean, it's
2050 for me, please. Oh, it does look like engine oil.
It's thick. We just have a half one, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's got a nice head on it and everything.
Cheers.
You got it?
Thank you. Cheers.